Good morning, students, and welcome back to online classes of the Wisdom School. I hope you had a great holidays. Now it is time to come back to our studies. Before holidays, we were doing chapter number 1, that is My Wonderful Body. Today, we are going to do the revision for the same. Now, everybody, please open page number 1. Name of the chapter is My Wonderful Body. We have studied about our body, which is made up of two types of body parts, that is external body parts and internal body parts. We will start with the external body parts or external organs. Those organs which can be seen from outside are called external organs. Our body parts, which we can see from outside, which is visible with our eyes, are called external organs, while those that are not visible outside are called internal organs. ये organs वो organs हैं जो हमें बाहर से दिखाई नहीं देते. They are not visible outside. वो हमें बाहर दिखाई नहीं देते. So we will read both the types of organs in detail. All the body parts which are visible outside are called external organs. Our body is divided into three main parts, that is our head, our trunk, and our limbs. Our hands are called upper limbs and our legs are called lower limbs. Our head contains our head, eyes, ears, nose, chin, mouth. Then comes the torso or the trunk. It contains our chest, our abdomen, and our shoulders. These three parts, including our back. Our back is also a part of our torso. Now come to upper limbs. Upper limbs are our arms, which include our hand, also the wrist. All these are the parts of our upper limbs. Now come to the legs or the lower limbs. Contains our hips, our knees, our ankle, our toe, and our foot. Now we will study about the sense organs. As we all know, we have 5 sense organs. So we will study about these sense organs in detail. There are 5 sense organs, that is our eyes, our nose, our ears, our, our tongue, and our skin, which covers the whole body. Should take proper care of our sense organs because these sense organs connect us to the outer world. हमें इन सेंस ऑर्गन्स का बहुत ध्यान रखना चाहिए और इनकी केयर करनी चाहिए क्योंकि ये हमें अपने आउटर वर्ल्ड से कनेक्ट करते हैं. नाउ all these are also a part of our external body organs. These are our external body organs. ये जो सेंस ऑर्गन्स जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, they are part of our external organs. Now we will start with our internal organs. Those organs which are not visible outside our body are called internal organs. Some of the organs are inside our body and cannot be seen. कुछ organs हमारी body के अंदर हैं जिन्हें हम देख नहीं सकते. These are known as our internal organs. For example कौन कौन से हैं? Our brain, heart, lungs are our internal organs. ये सब ऑर्गन्स कौन से ऑर्गन्स हैं? हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. लुक हियर इन द पिक्चर. दिस इज अवर ब्रेन. वी कैन नॉट सी अवर ब्रेन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. आउटसाइड क्या है हमारा? हेड. वी सी अवर हेड ओनली. वी कैन नॉट सी अवर ब्रेन. देन this one is our heart. So, and these are our lungs. This one is our stomach. These are intestine, and this one is our liver. So these organs are not visible from outside. Now the first one is brain. Brain lies in our head. Brain कहाँ पर है? हमारे head में है. It controls all the body functions. ये क्या करते हैं? Our brain controls our body functions. हमारी बॉडी में जितने भी फंक्शंस हो रहे हैं उसे कौन कंट्रोल करता है? Our brain. Then our heart. It sends blood to the all parts of our body. ये जो हार्ट है ये ब्लड को पंप करता है, पुश करता है, और ये ब्लड सारी बॉडी में सप्लाई करता है. The next one is our lungs. What is the work of the lungs? Lungs क्या काम करते हैं? Lungs help us to breathe. ये जो हम सांस लेते हैं it help us to breathe. The next one is our stomach. What is the work of our stomach? Whatever food we eat, जो भी खाना हम खा रहे हैं it is digested in the stomach. कहाँ पचता है हमारा ये खाना? हमारे स्टमक में. When we eat our food, we chew it properly, and when we chew our food properly, it starts its digestion in our stomach. In the higher classes, we will study all these things in detail. So this is all about the chapter. We have revised the chapter. Now let us check the book exercise also, which is already being done in the class. ये काम भी हम अपनी क्लास में कर चुके हैं, but still we are going through it once again. The first question is fill in the blanks. The question is the chest and the abdomen are part of the trunk or torso. Trunk और torso के कौन कौन से parts हैं? Our chest and abdomen. इसको हम अपना कई छोटे बच्चे इसको stomach भी बोलते हैं, but we have to write abdomen. You have to write abdomen. The tongue is the organ of taste. Organ of taste is our tongue. Dash keep our eyes wet. Tear glands. हमारी eyes में जो tear glands हैं वो हमारे eyes को wet रखते हैं. Our ears help us to hear. So we hear with our ears. So we will write hear. Now rearrange the letters to find the right answer. These are the answers. We will study the question from here and then we will rearrange them. उनको वापस से सही स्पेलिंग बना के लिखना है. It controls all the organs. कौन कौन कंट्रोल करता है हमारे ऑर्गन्स को? हमारा ब्रेन. सो इट इज ब्रेन. BRAIN, brain. The second one is it sends blood to all parts of our body. We know the answer is heart. So this is the spelling of heart. The third one is they help us to learn about things. That is our sense organs. The answer is sense organs. आप यहाँ से spelling देखेंगे और लिखेंगे sense organs. The third one is circle the odd word in each group. Ears, lungs, eyes and skin. Ears, eyes and skin are external organs and lungs is internal organs. So we have circle it. The other one is heart, stomach, lungs, hands. All these are internal organs and hands are external organs. The last one is head, limbs, neck, brain. All these are The our body is divided into three parts. So head, limbs, neck, all these are the other parts, and brain is the internal part. So we will mark brain. This is all we have done before the holidays. In our next class, we will start with the other exercises of this chapter and also the question answers. So that's all. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.